be different, okay? So if you are gonna go to a listing presentation and I know I'm coming in after you, then what do I wanna do? Well, I wanna talk about nothing that you're gonna talk about. And I wanna talk about things that I know you did not talk about. Being completely different than your competitors is the secret to winning the listings no one else can get. Is it true that all agents are the same? Do you think the general population out there thinks, hey, all realtors are the same? Well, if all realtors are the same, which one would you pick? That's right, the cheapest one. And really, they are all the same. The industry talks about all the same stuff. I just got an email, I think yesterday or maybe today, from the National Association of Realtors. And what was the headline in the email? It is trendy new colors. It had cans of paint with the trendy new colors. Help your buyers or sellers pick the colors. I think, oh my gosh, it's worse than I thought. Do they ever talk about real estate? Do they ever talk about how to make money in this business? If you watch what other agents do and what they talk about and do the exact opposite, you're gonna make way more money. So don't go on a listing presentation and talk about anything that the other agent would talk about, and only talk about stuff that you know no other agent will ever talk about, and that's how you'll win the listing. So until the next video, I want you to focus on the basics. I want you to be committed. I want you to be obsessed. And I want you to get your skills, your schedule, and your systems right. And I want you to feel free to call me anytime at 480-385-8810. And let's see if you would be a good fit for Fearless Agent Coaching, because if you are, you're going to get rich. And if you're not, I'm still going to help you either way. So call me anytime, 480-385-8810. I want to make you a fearless agent. Thanks.